Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor and today's my video topic is SQL subqueries. First, starting with what is SQL. SQL is a short form of structured query language. Initially, SQL was called as a SQL because it was named as a structured English query language. This SQL was designed by IBM to manipulate and retrieve the data which is present in its database management. So, as per the SQL process, whenever we are executing the command of SQL, the on any relational database management system, then that system automatically finds out the best route to carry out this request. And with addition to that, the SQL engine helps to determine the how to interpret that request. So these commands are nothing but the queries in SQL language. So the query helps in creating and managing the database. Some commonly used queries in the SQL is the create, update, then insert, drop, and select. Now this as per the so this SQL subqueries are also called as a inner queries or a nested queries. It is a query within the query and it is embedded with the where clause. Now this SQL query subqueries also contains the various operators with it, like less than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, in, not in, and between. So this in, not in, between are like a keyword in SQL. Now the less than, greater than, these operators are used with the numerical data which is present inside the table, whereas the in, not in, and between are used with the other types of data. For example, if employee table contains of the details of employee, its name, department ID, and other details, and we want to display the data of that employees whose department ID is either 30, 40, or 100. So in this scenario, instead of writing the three conditions separately, we can use the in keyword here, and we can write the condition like a select star from employee where department ID in the parenthesis 30, 40, 100. So in this way, the SQL will return the same output and within the less word or the less or the smaller condition. Now using this in with our the common subquery, that is select query, is its example like for example we write the condition like a select the name, location, phone number from student from database where student roll number in, and inside this bracket select roll number from student where section is A. So here we write the two select queries. So this the one select query is known as a main query, and the query which select query which comes after the where clause is known as a subquery. So in this query, the subquery first will be executed, and the whatever the output will be generated by subquery is considered, it will be that output will be sent out to the main query, and this output will be treated as the condition for our main query. So in this way, one query contains into the another query, and this query considered as a condition. So this, in the same pattern, we can use the subqueries or inner queries for other common queries like insert, update, create, delete, and other. And that's it with the SQL subqueries. Thank you.